Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to forward your incoming calls to other number on your Android mobile phone. So friends, in your mobile, open dialer. Now here on the right side corner of the screen, press on these three dots. Now here select settings. Now in setting, press on call. Now here press on more settings. Now here press on call forwarding. Press on voice call. Here you will find four type of options: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. I will go with first option, always forward. Here enter the number on which you want to forward your calls and press on enable to activate call forwarding. So friends, by the help of this feature, you can forward all your incoming calls to your other number. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.